Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your ad spend with Facebook ads step by step clearly. Start by identifying your target audience. Use Facebook's Audience Insights tool to refine your demographic data. Create clear and compelling ad objectives. Decide whether you want to increase brand awareness, consider lead generation, or drive sales. Design your ad with attention-grabbing visuals and concise messaging. Make sure to align your ad content with your objective. Set a realistic budget for your campaign. Choose between daily or lifetime budget options based on your goals. Implement conversion tracking to measure the effectiveness of your ads. Set up the Facebook pixel on your website to track visitor engagement. Create custom audiences based on website behaviors and interactions. Utilize retargeting strategies to reach users who have previously engaged with your brand. Monitor your ads' performance regularly using Facebook Ads Manager. Evaluate key metrics such as click-through rates and return on ad spend. Test different ad formats to see which performs best. Experiment with carousel ads, video ads, and image ads. Adjust your targeting and creative elements based on performance data. Consider A/B testing different ad variations to optimize results. Set frequency caps to avoid ad fatigue among your audience. Continuously refine your audience targeting using lookalike audiences. Allocate more budget to the ads that yield the best results. Stay updated with Facebook's advertising policies to ensure compliance. Be prepared to adapt your strategy as market dynamics change. Track your overall ad spend versus revenue generated. Regularly analyze your return on investment to gauge effectiveness. Conclude your campaign by gathering insights for future advertising efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.